Ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to know what to expect on your favorite show in Nima starting from Monday the 8th till Friday the 12th of December 2025, then do stay tuned to this video. I'm going to start with the Monday episode, and this is the episode that will be airing on the 8th of December 2025, and it's episode number 171 titled Broken Part 2. Panic grips both families as Kawe fights for her life. Sydney reaches for his son, but Lwandle rejects him outright. Onga and Mawethu's rivalry erupts as guilt and jealousy collides. Then on the Tuesday episode, and this is an episode that will air on the 9th of December 2025. It's episode number 172 titled Strain. Buried truths in the Bigisha bloodline surface with devastating clarity. Zolega breaks under the fear of losing her daughter, and Sydney finds a new way to weaponize vulnerability, taking us now to the Wednesday episode. And this is the episode that will be airing on the 10th of December 2025. And it's episode number 173 titled Please Save Me, Mama. On this episode, the family is shattered when Kawe's only hope becomes an impossible find. Sydney's manipulation hits a wall when Linda refuses to play along. Tensions explode as Onga and Mawethu clash over the woman they love. Now, the Thursday episode airing on the 11th of December 2025, and this is episode number 174 titled Ibirthday Yakhe. Likamva's birthday brings warmth and reopened wounds. Mawethu's heartbreak deepens as Kawe faces the unthinkable. Sydney twists Linda's deepest pain into dangerous opportunity, taking us now to the last episode of the week, and this is the Friday episode, which will air on the 12th of December 2025, and it's episode number 175, and the title of this episode is A Lost Cause. So on this episode, a fragile peace between Hlatsi and Likamva shatters before it can mend. Lena backs away from Sydney's offer, fearing the cost of the truth. A jealous rivalry pushes Onga and Mawethu to a breaking point. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that and more is what you can expect on your favorite show in Nima, starting from Monday the 8th to Friday the 12th of December 2025. So comment there in the comment section, share thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic, and if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.